record the first half, so here's a scroll. I said a lot of stuff in there. Lots. Alright. So the bottom looks like it can be factored, right? What can we do to the bottom?
X plus 18.
Take out a 9. What would be left?
3x.
What's wrong?
Yeah. So, oops, if we divide both of these by 9, like we're taking out 3x plus 2, you kind of check if you multiplied it back in, does it turn back into that? Okay, can we cancel anything?
Can you take the top and do like 3 and 9?
Yeah. Yeah, this 9, the multiply value, it can cancel out, yes. 27 divided by 9, 3. Okay, can we cancel these 3's out? No. This 3x plus 2, since it's added, that's like one thing. So no, it is not free to be canceled. 18x. So these are 3-term factoring, right? It's x squared. So it's one of these deals. So what goes in the front? What multiplies an x squared? X and x. What goes in the back? What multiplies into 12 that adds up to 8? 6 and 2. Okay, what goes in x squared? X and x. What goes into negative 18? That multiplies up to 3.
6 and 8.
And then the fun part. Boom. What are you guys laughing at?
Yeah, I'm laughing at you because you're like hitting a trick shot.
What?
He was like writing while he was like looking away. And it was accurate somehow.
Please stop.
What do you mean?
So confused.
Yeah, me too.
I feel like we're all
How do
talking
you
about
confuse yourself?
Oh, it's not that hard
I'm
for me.
confused by everyone else.
Happy,
I
what are
don't
you
know what I
laughing at?
did.
We learned nothing from.
You said he's doing a trick shot. It's
Because
not
he
a
was
trick
he
shot.
was writing it and he was staring at me like blank.
That's not a trick shot. You know the definition of trick shot?
No, we
No, I don't.
Why are you guys still talking? Yeah, why are you still talking about that?
I wanted to, but
Stop.
I wanted to.
No.
I couldn't bring myself because I didn't want him to get mad at me or something.
Tried to get him off on a rant.
You kind of end up going off one anyway.
I think, yeah. Okay.
What are we talking?
So b squared is kind of like the last problem. B and B. Bread and breakfast. All right, and then what multiplies into negative 28? That would also add up to 3.
Negative 4 and
What? 7 minus 4.
Yeah, positive 7 minus 4, yeah. On the bottom, it's a square minus a square, right? So what goes into b squared? B and B. What goes into negative 49? Plus 7, negative 7. If you weren't sure you were doing it right, you could FOIL those. Okay, and then the b plus 7s is where it went off the rails last time.
Couldn't you cancel the B's out?
Can we cancel these b's out?
No.
No. so the division bar, yeah. You can't. You can only divide and multiply cancel out, not divide and subtract. And anyway, yeah, because the division bar comes last, it's not gonna, no. It just doesn't work. Alright, can I do anything to the top?
Take 2 out of all of it.
Take a 4 out, just for the top.
Just thinking.
Yeah, maybe we don't need to do the whole thing. And then, okay, this is where people get it wrong. What happens when I take a 4 out? N minus 1. So usually people put just n. And when I say take a 4 out, I actually mean we're dividing it out. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. Okay, and what can we do on the bottom? Take a 2 out. If we divide these by 2, we get 3n minus 10. Then what? 4 and 2 reduced to, yeah. Okay, we are not going to put the 2 back in. We're just going to leave it broken out. Well, what can we do on the top? Take out a 6 and a b squared. They both have at least a b squared. So if we divide the first term by 6b squared, 3 minus 2 is 1b, and then 42b squared divided by 6b squared,
Minus 7.
7. That's the top done. How about the bottom?
2.
You can take a 2 out. And we have b squared plus, whoopsie, 13b plus 42. Divide all those by 2. Now what? Okay, this thing right here is a 3-term deal, right? So it's going to factor. Probably. The book sets it up so that they will. So, what multiplies? This might be a tricky one. What multiplies into? No, maybe not. 42. That adds up to 13. 6 and 7. So now what? B plus 7. Anything else? 6 divided by 2. Getting there. 2b squared. Actually, before I write that down, what can we do on the top? Take out a 2. So I'll just start with that. Take a 2 out. On the bottom, we can take an 8 out. Can I do anything else? Factor the top some more. B squared, v and v. What goes into negative 24? That adds up to 5. 8 minus 3. So, v plus 8 b plus 8. 2 and 8 reduced to 1 and 4. 4 is on the bottom. So all we have left is, now we don't really need a 1 on top because 1 times this is just this. So b minus 3 over 4. Zueho Iga.
Key.
The last one in Chinese. For me, not for you.
Can't even say.
In Russian?
Well, he has like a note card of like how to say my name is in like 6 different languages.
Impressive.
Yeah. Okay, the top. So there's nothing I can take out of the top. There's no x's or 2's or anything. 2 doesn't go to x right. So it's probably just ready to do the 3-term factoring. What multiplies into negative 80? That adds up to 2.
10 and minus 8.
10 and 8, yes. So x plus 10, x minus 8. Okay, on the bottom, what, can I take anything out? 2 and an x. So I'll start with that. That will leave me x squared minus 32.
Market. What are we at? Center's about 65. 66. Oh, wow.
When we get to 100, we'll throw a party.
Yay.
Yes.
Really?
And she'll start faking.
Really?
We can tell if it's fake or
Or is it?
I don't think so. It's not that hard to make it. So. Okay, what multiplies into 32 that adds up to negative 12? 8 and 4, both of them negative. Yeah, again, if you didn't get something that cancels out, something's probably wrong. I don't think they would do that to us, even though it's possible. So, anything else? No. Alright. So it's x plus 10 over 2x. Hey, we made it.
Alright.
I said
Alright.